Okay, this is a trick called elimination. Now, since we don't have a spectator here, we are going to have Mr. Cameraman call out stop. Okay?
Stop.
There? Okay? Okay, this is your card. Take a look at that. Okay, we'll take your card and bury it in the deck where it was, and give it a few cuts, just like so. Now, call out stop wherever you want.
Stop.
Okay, again.
Stop.
Okay, again.
Stop.
Okay, again. And actually, we'll just put this down here since we barely have anything left.
Yes. Okay.
Now, what you're going to do is you are going to point to 2 piles, and I'm going to choose which one to eliminate. Then I'm going to pick 2 piles, and you're going to choose which one to eliminate, okay?
Okay.
So just pull out 2.
I would like these 2 right here.
I will eliminate this one, okay? These 2. These 2.
That one.
Okay, elimination. And I choose to and then I choose to eliminate this one, okay? So what we're going to do is eliminate every other card like this, which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards. And we will eliminate every other card just like this, which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. And we'll eliminate every other card like this, which leaves us with 3 cards. And left 2 cards, down, and was that your card?
Yes.